There were children who went to school at Market Street Elementary, saw it close and shutter its doors, and that was an emotional day for the community because the school had been here since the 50s. In 2019, the former Market Street Elementary School was abandoned and decommissioned by the Boardman Local School District. Students were shifted to other buildings, and there was no planned use for the building at that time. The building sat vacant for a while, a little bit of vandalism. Things weren't going great for the neighborhood. We had already done some preliminary mapping of the watersheds. It is a low-lying parcel to begin with, and there just so happened to be a culverted stream traversing the site. That was around the time when we approached the school board as the Stormwater District to see maybe we can work together to come up with a project that would be helpful to the community. You had Erskine Avenue, which is just to the north of this site, that has flooded perpetually for decades and really was the low spot in the watershed. We've been able to mitigate that by excavating out this site and giving the water a lower place to be, in a way for that stream to become more natural again. It all came together. What we have here is a 1/3 mile walking trail that really surrounds the site and gives it that passive recreation feel to it. The students came up with tree placement, plant selection, try to understand the habitat that could return. Classrooms are intending to come here by bus, have a lesson up at the pavilion, and meander down to the stream where they'll have a lesson in water quality. They can take samples, they can identify plants and species, and they kind of continue that education on site that was once here in a building. Now it's in the restored environment.